does. I'm just saying, like, she'll be like, ah. Alright, look. That's my wife. Is this shit recording? Yeah, that's my wife. It's a beautiful bitch.
Okay.
Say hi, baby.
Smack her in the face.
One second.
Smack her in
Camera
the
no.
face.
That's my wife.
Smack her in the face.
Fuck you.
Come on, nigga, you hit her all the time. You don't want to hit her on video?
No. That's called charging.
It is.
If it is.
Oh, it's my
That is Christopher's wife. I think her name is Dia. That's Christopher. The twin of my wife. We're about to smoke a L.
5-star all day, low killers.
Those are Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out. Alright, Chris, what are we lighting it up with? I try to cover it.
Yes, you did try to cover that.
With an ice cream cone.
That's not ice cream cone, dog. Look, everybody, does this look like a motherfucking ice? This looks like a microphone. It's what it's supposed to be.
It's an ice cream cone.
Here, baby, hold it while we smoking. Okay. Smoke away, baby. By the way, this is
the video's gonna be shaky.
This is not Mary J. Wanna.
Mary J. Wanna.
Mary Jane's a whore, dog.
Where's your little 305 tattoo?
Oh,
it's ugly.
Dog.
Put it.
Yo, you gotta zoom into that. That's disrespect.
Yeah, what's yours? 305. Oh, that's too raw.
Such disrespect. That nigga should have got burned for that shit.
There, I would've knocked.
I wouldn't say, yo, a nigga fucked me up like that,
I would've yoked him up to the machine.
He lied to me.
I would've yoked him up to the machine.
He had a brand new tattoo machine, and he got a bunch of
I would've
brand new
yoked him up and
tattoos.
took his machine.
He's like, oh, I tatted myself up. Fuck it.
He had different tattoos on.
And they were brand new. So you're thinking.
No, I would've yoked him up and took his machine.
What? Nigga, you gonna have to loser. Oh shit.
Choke.
It's good, right? It's not fucking garbage, bitch. Told you that. Nigga, there's raisins donut in that. Nigga, it's mixed.
Look at Zia. Fixing her hair.
I'm about to get some fucking strawberry fucking donut tomorrow and come back.
Yes, sir.
I never had a strawberry.
Earlier, man. We would have been up with Uncle's car. We had the keys and
That's what JR she would've drunk.
I'm saying, y'all. We would have
She would've got over it.
Me
She
either.
She would drive it.
Dude, they go to the track like she was a fucking phone today.
Yo, I want that nigga told somebody at 6 in the morning. Watch it
Told
do
her
it.
I have a sticker.
At 6 in the morning, y'all. At 6 in the morning,
Here,
I want
babe,
that fucking
hold it.
before.
Bro, they told my shit. I'm shooting. I don't give a fuck. Fuck that. You sexy ass bitch. Baby, show off the socks I just got you. Go ahead. Bam! Christopher, stop trying to take her shine. I got it.
It looked like we were down.
This is Christopher, the one that's hogging up the camera.
And the blood.
And the blood. Nigga.
Sleeper. Look how you sleepy.
It's mine.
Fuck white boy. Sleepy.
Fuck you, then give me back the Dutch, unroll it. Okay.
I could,
He's cute. You're cute.
smoke the other one.
You're a cute guy. Yeah, why are you cute? Like
My
me.
nipples are hard.
My fucking nipples. I don't have nipples. They fell off last night.
No, we are some retarded ass we will get no plays on YouTube the way you motherfuckers act.
Going somewhere in life.
This is retarded, yo. I feel like I don't belong with you niggas.
Oh my god, shut up.
For real.
Niggas. Well, they are. Niggas and bitches.
Yeah, baby, I'm gonna suck your fucking titty.
Oh yeah?
Come get that shit.
Fuck yeah.
What's going on? Hey, I wanna record.
Okay. Record this.
Stop, it's cold, it's cold. Oh my god.
Okay.
What are you doing?
My
Like,
sister's plot.
Did y'all get that YouTube?
it tastes good?
How does that tongue taste? Let me see the tongue. Oh, there's a pimple on it.
Oh my god.
man.
She fucking gave me herpes on my fucking tongue. Yes. Yo, my wife is smoking it.
You're hitting the black? I thought you didn't smoke tobacco.
I don't. I inhale it.
You got mad close to the camera, you almost headbutted it. It was like, Do it again. Look at it. Look. Do it. It looks like it really hit. It looks like it really hits. You Jewish slut.
Wait.
Yeah, we're smoking a black like a.
Oh, that was disrespectful.
You disrespectful, man.
You do not blow fucking smoke. Stop fucking making them hard.
No, idiot Jew. You know what that means when you blow smoke in another person's face? That means you want to fuck him.
Everything is yours, but I'm a stud. I do not like it when a fucking feminine woman touches my fucking private areas in front of a crowd, son. You think? I do this to you. Come on, pull out my ass. Don't play
Do a
that
backflip.
ass. I do not play that ass.
Do a backflip. Shut up and do a backflip.
It's not cool.
Just do a backflip.
I'm overweight.
And I'm freezing.
I don't know how y'all cold, but I'm warm as fuck.
Who's silly? You lady.
Yeah, you ain't smoking if you ain't choking.
Oh, you called you? You called her lady? Huh? No, your lady. Oh!
I thought you said he lame too, but I kind of suspect that she does not know me like that, bruh. No, bruh.
They call me. Give me a lighter.
No, come on. Give me.
I'll live right now. What do you mean? Daddy, I don't want that. Daddy, I want a camera.
Oh, yeah, where's the camera? Let me record that.
Let me record. Oh, go.
Go,
We gotta
guys.
see this. Go.
Cool.
Come, baby. Come, baby. I can't lay down.
We're going to jail. Once they see this shit on YouTube, they're gonna track our email address. Where the kids are. Hey, who the fuck are you calling? Yo, I'm about to throw your ass off the dock.
There you go. Record.
Man, you ain't giving me one, nigga. I got asthma.
Fuck,
I'm taking
Outside. Look at the real picture. That's my man.
There.
Both of my sister-in-laws.
Take the ball.
Hey. Yeah.
You're gonna get skipped.
Babe.
You're gonna get skipped.
Yo, Christopher has the lighter.
White boy. What's up, guy? Let me get Ace on that shit.
Christopher Terrence.
Quateri.
Siren? That's what you said? That's your middle name? Oh shit, how funny. Yeah.
Nicole Diane Quateri.
I got him.
Grandma.
Elaine Randall.
Oh my god, I gotta delete this video.
Grammar?
Now we're gonna have to delete
No,
the
we're
video.
putting music in the background.
Video's deleted. Fuck that.
We're doing music in the
We
background.
said all government.
Go do a flip, Chris.
Alright.
Yeah, that's illegal right now, nigga.
Elaine Grammar Romance.
Come on, Christopher Terrence.
Go do it. Go do
Nicole
a flip,
Diane
Chris.
Quateri. Wait.
Alright, go, Christopher.
Time out.
Entertain the camera.
We don't know the Cuban one.
My full name?
Yeah.
DML.
My full name is Alisa Caretrista.
What is it?
You know,
Esmeralda. Esmeralda what again?
Corones.
Yeah, Coronel.
Yeah, her last name is
Coronel.
my dog.
Caramel. It means Colonel. Colonel? Yeah. It's nice. Esmeralda Colonel.
Esmeralda Colonel.
Like corn.
Oh.
Yo, this shit is not even touching me.
Yeah, fuck that. You suck on
What?
that.
My name
You're
is-
hyper, nigga. When you smoke, you're supposed to be chilling, nigga. You're not supposed to be. It's not gonna work.
We're always.
It's not gonna
All
work.
of us, bro.
Yeah.
I'm getting you guys with
I know, I
so
hate smoking and walking.
Listen, just sit in your corner.
I like smoking, period. Yo, when I'm walking, swimming, taking a shower, running.
You get something like this?
I love smoking.
Taking a shower like this?
Baby,
Yeah.
were you here when I was drinking my beer and taking a shower at the same time? Nigga, I would drink my beer, dog, because I didn't drink it so long, and you know I used to.
This
Nigga.
nigga said, you know I get the.
And that's what it says.
Oh, alcohol, right there, motherfucker. Right in the eye. Nigga. I was taking a shower, and I just got an OE box beat, and I was drinking it, nigga. While I was taking a shower, I was about to go out. I couldn't, fuck that, I couldn't help it.
Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Baby, why you got me so sexy?
Go be like this.
Stop turning me on, you sexy.
Hey, we're gonna take a shower like this.
Bitch. What? Go take, go get this black. Black. Oh, shit, the black.
Black.
X that out.
Pause.
Video we're gonna.
You have an
That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna
inconvenience.
like this. Wait.
Inconvenience is
like a
going
little
on.
weird shit, we're gonna
Please
find it.
stand by. Stand by. Stay tuned.
It's like.
Technical difficulties.